Hello students, today we will start chapter number 12, time. In the previous class, you learned to read time from a clock, and you also learned to use AM to PM to denote time. And in this class, we shall learn some more points, more concept regarding clocks. So let's recall some things we have already learnt about the time. As you can see here, this is the clock and the small hand is called the hour hand. This is the smaller one and this is hour hand, and it's moved from one number to the next in 1 hour. That means when it comes from 5 to 6, it will take the time of 1 hour. It moves round the dial completely once in 12 hours. That means it moves round the dial twice a day. So what we can write? We can write 1 hour, 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Okay. Now come to the minute hand. This is the long hand and this is minute hand, and it moves round the dial completely once in an hour. This is your minute hand. Thus it passes through 60 small divisions in 1 hour. That means 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Clear? 1 day is equal to 24 hours and 1 hour is equal to 60. Come to the third hand, which is known as the second hand, and second hand is usually very long and thin, and it moves very fast. It jerks every second. With each jerk it moves onto the next small division. That means 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. So all these three things you have to keep in your mind. 1 day is equal to 24 hours, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, and 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. Okay. Now students, come to the exercise number 12.1. What is written here? Just have a look. Write the time for each clock. Here, according to the hands of the clock, you have to write the time. Okay, so complete it. And then next question, draw the two hands on the face of a clock to show the following time. You have to draw clock here. So draw the clock according to the given time. Come to the next question. Question number 3. Write the time using AM and PM. You have to write AM means morning, from morning to 12 noon, and after that PM. PM means PM afternoon to 12 night. So in this way you have to write the AM or PM in this question. Clear? Now come to the next one. Our next topic is conversion of time. How we can convert day to hour, hour to minute, and so on. So first, the time from the sunrise to sunset is known as daytime. The time from sunrise to sunset is known as daytime, and the time from sunset to sunrise is known as night time. That means total duration of day-night time is known as a day. The total duration of daytime and night time is togetherly known as day. This we have to keep in mind. 1 day is equal to 24 hours, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, 7 days is equal to 1 week, 1 year is equal to 12 months or 52 weeks, and 1 year also completes in 365 days, and a leap year has 366 days. So these are the important facts that you have to keep in your mind. Now come to the next exercise. Exercise number 12.2. So today we will start this exercise also. So what is given here? convert the following into minutes. So this is here 12 hour and we have to convert it into minutes. So how we will solve it? Just have a look. We have to convert hour into minute. So as we know, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. This is exercise 12.2. Exercise number 12.2. Question number 1A. So what is our first question? It's a 12 hour. And we have to convert it into minutes. So how we will solve it? 1 hour. As we know, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 60 minutes. Okay. So if 1 hour is equal to 16 minutes, then 12 hour is equal to 60 into 12. Then we will multiply 12 6. So what is it? 12 6? 12 6 is 72 and 0. Then its answer is our 722 minutes. This is our answer. So in this way you have to complete all question number B, C, D, E and F. We will take another example, 3 hour 20 minutes. We will take one more question of this exercise, one more question of this question number 1. It's a 3 hour 20 minutes. So how we will solve first? First we will convert this hour into minute. Then we will add both the 2 minutes. So again we will write 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Sorry. Then 3 hour is equal to 60 into 3, 180. So 3 hour 20 minutes is equal to 180 plus 20. 180 plus 20 is equal to 200 minutes is our answer. Now students, come to the next question. Question number 2. Convert the following into hours. And what is our question number A? 4 days. So how we can convert hours into minute? 4 days. Okay. As we know, 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So 4 days is equal to 4 into 24. So 4 4s are 16, 6, 1 is carrying, 4 2s are 8 and now. So 8 will be 96 hours and this is our answer. Okay. First 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Then 4 days is equal to 4 into 24 and 96 is our answer. Come to the next question. We will take another example of this question. This is 2 weeks 12 hours. So first we have to convert these weeks into days and then we will convert days into weeks. Okay. So first we convert this week into days. So 1 week is equal to 7 days. Next question is question number E. We will take question number E. Our question is 2 weeks 10 hours. So 1 week is equal to 7 days. 7 days. Then 2 weeks is equal to 7 2s are 14. 14 days. Then what is our next step? So again 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Then 14 days is equal to 14 into 24. First we will multiply this and then we will add this with the 10 hour. Clear? In this way we will get our answer. Then 14 days 10 hour is equal to 14 into 24 is equal to 336. 336 plus 10, then 346 is our answer. Okay. Now come to the next one. Question number 3. Convert the following into hour and minute. So we have to convert it into hours and minute. What is our question number A? 700 minute. As we know, 60 minute is equal to 1 hour. Then 700 minute is equal to 700 by 60. What is our answer then? Now we will divide this 700 by 60. So here we will divide 61 is 60, 0, 1 and 0, 61 is 60, 0, 4. So what is our answer? Our answer is 11 minute 40 second. Sorry, our answer is 11 hour 40 minute. Clear? In this way we solve all question number 3 also. Come to the next question. Question number 4. Convert the following into second. So what is our first question? 2 minute 30 seconds. So first we will convert this minute into second and then we will add both. Okay. So question number 4A. Our question is 2 minute 30 seconds. So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Then 2 minutes is equal to 2 into 60 is equal to 120 minutes. Then 2 minute 30 seconds is equal to 120 plus 30, 150 second is our answer. Clear? So in this way we convert all minutes and second into second. Now come to the next question. Question number 5. Convert the following into minutes and second. We have to convert 400 second into minute. As we know, 60 second is equal to 1 minute. Question number 5. A. 400 second. We have to convert this 400 second into minutes and seconds. So what is our first step? As we know, 60 second is equal to 1 minute. Then 400 second is equal to 400 divided by 60. Again we will divide this 400 by 60. What is our answer? Just have a look. 6 6 is 36. 6 7, so it 6 6 0, 6 6 36, 0 4. So what is our answer? Our answer is 6 minute 40 seconds. Clear, student? So I explained here you question number A, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4 and question number 5. So what is your classwork? You have to complete up to question number 5 in your notebook. Okay? In next class we will take next question.